Hey beauties, welcome to Blush Life. My name is Bhabana and this channel is all about beauty. And on today's video, I will be unboxing the Cult Beauty Box by Sali Hughes. I'm so excited. If you do like this video, guys, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as it is completely free and it will help spread the love. So let's get started. I'm super obsessed with cult beauty. It's my go-to place to shop all the latest beauty craze and trending cult products, hence the cult beauty, you know. If you guys don't already, make sure you do check them out because they are amazing, like literally. This cult beauty box is in collaboration with the renowned beauty columnist from the garden, Sali Hughes, as the name says it right there. I'm super excited because Sali knows her stuff. Honestly, she knows her stuff. So all the products that are in this box are gonna be amazing. I know that for sure. So let's unbox it. It comes with a nice red and pink sleeve. So I am gonna remove it. Ta-da-da. There we go. And it has a nice black cult beauty box. Ah! Ta 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 da! That's the booklet. Let's open it, and Sally's right there. She's got a nice message here. I'll read it out to you guys. Great glow is always my #1 beauty priority. It's mine as well. I love healthy, glowing skin. That's always my aim with every skincare products that I use. A plumped, smooth, bright, dewy complexion isn't about skin color, fashion, or even age. It's about keeping your complexion looking as healthy and vibrant as it can be through truly effective skincare and some judicious faking with makeup. I like that. I definitely like that. Here are some of my own favorite 100% cruelty-free, definitely cruelty-free all the time, hero products for the job, from a suits everyone cleanser and luxury moisturizer to my ultimate can't live without glow giver, vitamin C. There's also the no effort illuminating makeup base for all skin tones and what I believe is the greatest skin brightening exfoliator of all time. Oh, and my luxury candle of choice. That still counts as glow, right? I think it does because, you know, when you can smell nice fragrance, it makes you feel better. And yeah, that ultimately gives you the glow. So it has all the products in here, starting with the cleanser, exfoliant, oil, moisturizer, and the CC cream, as well as a candle. Oh my god, I am so excited. Right, let's do it. So there are 6 full-size products wrapped nicely in a black tissue paper, which I can reuse for future. And according to Cult Beauty, they are bound to grant you that unrivaled radiance. It's all about that glow, guys. It's all about that glow. I don't know where to start with. Can you see, guys? Oh my god. Ah! So the first product is It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Illumination. I've heard so many good reviews about it. I have tried BB cream in the past, but the coverage isn't there for me, so I've stopped using them long time ago. I'm a full coverage girl and this CC cream is meant to be full coverage CC cream, so I'm super excited. It's their best seller. It gives you that illumination and that glow that I'm always, you know, up for, so I'm really looking forward to this one. I will be doing my first impression and review with this one, so stay tuned for that, guys. The second product is this Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide cream. It is water gel moisturizer that's meant to suit every skin type. It has loads of good ingredients on it, so I'm super excited to introduce this on my nighttime routine. I have had a sample from Cult Beauty before for this one, and I did try it and it was super moisturizing, as well as it didn't react to my skin, so I'm super happy that I got this one. This is so expensive that it's worth, you know, this having in a box. And the third product is this FREUD Ginsberg God Candle. Like, I love candles. The only candles that I ever buy is Yankee candles because they are the most affordable candles out there. This is going to be one of the most expensive candles that I'm going to own, you know? So, ooh, smells nice. How pretty is that? Ooh, that smells lush. It's fig leaf and tomato. It's meant to have that balanced aroma of sweet and sourness. So I can kind of smell that, but because I haven't lit it, I don't think I'll be able to get the full fragrance from it. Having said that, a quick tip from Sally was to burn the candle until the top layer is melted and blow it out. In that way, your room still smells lush, like, you know, smells of this fragrance all over, and it will last a lot longer. I did not know that. I used to light my candle for hours, and obviously because of that, the candle doesn't last very long for me, but this one's gonna last me ages. The fourth product is this BIOSSANCE Squalane plus vitamin C rose oil. I'm so happy that I got this in this box because I have been wanting to get a new vitamin C for ages now, and this sounds like the perfect replacement. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It is a skin brightening ingredient. This is what makes your skin glow, like literally. Since I started using vitamin C, my face, my skin, it's always glowing, so I'm super excited to try this. It also has squalene, which is a brilliant moisturizer. I'm gonna start using this from tomorrow, and I will be giving a review maybe after about a month or so, just to tell you how this works on my skin. The fifth product is this ordinary Squalane Cleanser. It's meant to be balm to oil cleanser that's meant to remove your makeup as well as impurities without drying your skin. Now, who doesn't want that? I like my cleanser to leave my skin soft rather than tight and, you know, dehydrated, so that apparently does it. As you all know, Ordinary is amazing. Their formulation is great. They are very affordable. They're very effective, so worth spending your penny on them because they don't break their bank, you know. And finally, the sixth product, and the product I'm probably super excited about from this beauty box, is this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. It's a two-step peel that's meant to help you smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. It achieves clinical results at home. Amazing. Like, I've been meaning to do chemical peel for ages, but obviously because of the lockdown I can't. I probably won't be doing a chemical peel with a dermatologist for ages, so this is going to be perfect in the meantime while the whole pandemic calms down. Hopefully things will get better, but yeah, until then I have this little guy right here. It's a two-step peel. The first step is the exfoliant with the acids. It has both AHAs and BHAs on it, and the second step is the serum. I believe it's an anti-aging neutralizer which has antioxidants as well as anti-aging ingredients in it. So yeah, it's gonna deliver the result at home. I will be doing reviews on all the products that I've shown you today because I'm super excited. I think this beauty box is such a great value. I bought it for like £130, whereas the actual total value of the product is about £219.50. That's about 40% off, which is such a bargain. I know I did my maths. I know. I always have to do my maths. I definitely will be signing up for future Call Beauty boxes collab because it's such a great value. I'm always looking for great deals when it comes to buying my beauty products. I love saving as much as I can, even though I spend so much. This is my way of saving. And that's it for today, beauties. I hope you all enjoyed my unboxing of Cult Beauty Box by Sali Hughes. I definitely did. The products in there are amazing. I would love to know your thoughts on the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for all my upcoming beauty videos. Thank you all for watching. Mwah.